Here I have Google Nest Hub Max, and today I'm going to show you how to set up alarm on this device. So firstly you have to enable this lower menu, and here you have this button. This is the alarm. If you want to set up alarm, tap setup alarm here. Here you can select time to which you want to set alarm, then tap set. Then you can set it to repeat, in which days. Here you can select alarm tone. You can set up to sunrise, alarm, pre-alarm, sunrise window. And you can manage your morning routine here. And that's how it's done. That's how you can set up alarms here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.